Hey guys, welcome back to Glam Queen DIY, and if this is your first time here, welcome. Now, in today's do-it-yourself home decor DIY video, I am going to be showing you 3 glamorous DIYs along with a how-to tutorial on how to install a shower head. Now you guys, if all that sounds interesting to you, make sure you keep watching. And for the first 2 DIYs, you guys, I'm using these stemless wine glasses and these hurricane vases from Dollar Tree, my Rust-Oleum paint, mirror mosaic towel, and crushed diamond epoxy from BB Crafts. I'm going to link that information in the description. I have painted my pieces and I'm going to show you how I'm going to connect them. Also, make sure you take all of the tabs off of your pieces when you're joining pieces together. Now you guys, I am using Fix All adhesive. Always use the glue of your choice, and I am coupling that with hot glue as well. So you guys, I do hope you enjoyed the video. I miss you guys. Hopefully we are back, but we're gonna get to that in a whole nother video. So let's jump into this sponsor. Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. And this segment of the video is sponsored by Cobbe. Now Cobbe, as you can see, this is a shower head combo, and I'm going to put this link and their information down in the description box. Make sure you guys check them out. But we are updating my bathroom. Now inside this package comes your shower combination instructions. And you guys, these are very simple and very easy to install. I'm just letting you look at the instructions. I have taken my pieces out. Well, semi-taking the pieces out. I don't have my tripod, you guys. We are opening everything one-handed. I'm just getting all of my pieces ready. That roughly takes me about 4 or 5 minutes, not really that long, to put the pieces together. So we have that. It does come with your tape. This is for your handheld. This also is the Cobbe, their valued customer little card they put in the package. Comes with the hose, and of course the shower head. I'm going to let you guys, there is that rod, and as you can tell, we are going black. There's the shower head. Now you guys, I am putting all of these shower heads in all 3 of the bathrooms, and we're going to change all of that out here in a second, but this is what we're working with. I'm going to change it out. There's that. Now you guys, that is my pieces. I'm going to try to position the camera because I told you I do not have my tripod. I'm going to put this together, and as you can see, we do have the end of that off. And you guys, I don't we're going to actually install it. And like I said, you guys, this is a very simple and easy fix. And I make sure I take my caps out. We have that. And we have all our connectors. So let me put this together, and we're going to come right back. And so far, we have that. And I'm going to show you up close, you guys. This piece here locks in on this opposite side before it's this. And this piece here, you guys, we take this, that controls your bar. But this piece here, for that, this adjusts where the water's coming from the head of the hand. And I gotta connect the handheld piece here. I told you, pretty simple. Typically it takes me not quite 5 minutes to install these. And if you notice, I didn't use the tape because I use the original pieces. I'll only take it down if once I turn it on, if I have a water leak. Typically, if your piping is good and it's not stripped, you don't need the tape. But rule of thumb, if you typically use the tape, use the tape. We have it installed, but here's the tape. Here's the test. Here's the water test. Now water there, and there you have it, folks. There you have it, there you have it. You guys, make sure you do check out. Now you see, this is not leaking. It's kind of up under that last nozzle water is hitting it. But make sure you guys do check out Cobbe. I'm going to put all the information for this shower head down in the description. And with that being said, let's jump right back into the scheduled video. Now make sure you do follow me along as we complete these DIYs. I do have some information for you down in the description, you guys. Make sure you are checking that description box. And once again, if this is your first time tuning in, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Tap the bell twice, it turns blue, then you'll know every time that your girl is uploading videos. Our normal upload schedule, you guys, is Tuesdays, Fridays, and Sundays. But with my sickness and hiatus, you guys, I'm gonna almost for the month of October, at least at this beginning, because I have an overload of sponsorship stuff to get out. So you guys, make sure you're coming back almost every day, but definitely on Tuesdays, Fridays, and Sundays you will be getting the DIYs. And I'm probably gonna make some more DIYs in with the sponsored stuff as well. But you guys, make sure you're staying tuned in to the channel. We do have some spectacular content, I think, coming for you guys. So make sure you follow me along on my next life journey. And I do appreciate each and every one of you. And also too, you guys, we are still on the road for that 50,000 followers. Please share the channel with your family and friends. And let me tell you, I can do it with you here on this channel. This is our channel together. So let's get the channel to 50,000 followers. And once again, thank you so much. I'm gonna quit talking. Now let's finish getting these DIYs done. And also, family, make sure you do check that description box for our other branded channels. I do have all of those links for those down in the description box. And if you're not a part of them as well, make sure you do join those channels as well. And thank you so much. And for DIY number 3, I'm taking this lindel vase, and I did actually get this lindel vase from the thrift store. I'm still using that same spray paint, mirrored mosaic tile, and crushed diamond epoxy. We're gonna paint it. Now you guys, this is that piece painted. I have cut my mirror stripping and all of that so we can speed up the process of this DIY. I am also incorporating that close rhinestone chain. But we're finna jazz this vase up. And once again, if you're tuning in and you have been a part of the family, thank you guys so much for continuing to return to the channel. I know I have been absent for a while. Your girl has been dealing with some major medical things, but right now your girl is doing well. And I'm hopefully, we're speaking it all into existence. Your girl is back on a permanent basis so that we can get all of this content out to you. And to make sure you are staying tuned in to the channel, because we have a lot of sponsored information along with a few fabulous DIYs mixed with some home decor as well, because we are still revamping the channel. You guys, you're gonna get DIYs, but I don't want to fully make this a whole scale DIY channel because, like I say, my life has took on another journey and another path, so I will implement home decor and DIY as well. Now you guys, I do think that on the home decor spectrum, you'll get a lot of maybe bathroom or either living room inspiration, but we fully don't know yet. But we do know we are incorporated in the home decor. So with that being said, continue to follow your girl along, and thank you guys so much for still continuing to support your girl. And as we get ready to soon wrap up DIY number 3, you guys, I do have down in the description more DIYs that I have created here on the channel. I'm going to list some of those for you down in the description to give you some more inspiration. And once again, if you're not part of our brand, make sure you do subscribe to Glam Queen DIY. Her home is, she's behind the scene, Sora Sky Home. And you guys, all of those channel links are down in the description. And I want to thank you guys so much because we have monetized Sora Sky Home. She's behind the scene, which was originally our tablescape channel. We branched that off from pure tablescapes to tablescapes and home decor, and it's on the verge of monetization. So you guys, thank you so much, and I'll see you in another video.